Okay, so here we are outside a residence room and we're going to prepare for cleaning all the touch points inside the general living area. I've got a trolley outside the room and I may need 2 cloths, so I'm going to grab them both now. We're going to start with the room and look at all the touch points that need cleaning as we make our way around the room. I like to start and go around in a clockwise fashion and make sure that we cover everything. So first up is the handle. We've got one side of the cloth facing us. Now, if we've got only a small touch point, we can use 2 corners of that one side of the cloth. So I'm going to start here, go around the handle, clean along here. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to clean the other side. Make sure that's all clean. Then I'm going to turn the cloth over. Come along here. These are all touch points and we're going to use what's called the catch method, and we only go in one direction with the cloth. So we come along, bring it along, making sure we're catching anything like this and go in one direction. Now I'm going to fold it and turn it again, so I've got another face of the cloth to use, and I'm going to use that to clean any touch points that we might have along here. Change it again and use a half here, half along there, along there. Now I've used those sides, so I'm going to bring it out and we're going to walk around here. The touch points I've got here are grab rails on the bed, so I'm going to come along and clean along here. On one thing, turn it over, clean the end of the bed, fold it again. I'm going to come along this way and use that half of the face of the cloth. Excuse my back. Come through here. I'm going to use the other side of the cloth. Come along the top of the bed here. Now I've used all these touch points. So I've got another cloth. I've used all the sides of this one and I'm going to focus on some more touch points here. We've got switches and the phones and things to look at. So I've got the cloth folded into quarters. I'm going to grab the phone, go along the phone here, make sure it's all clean. Any surface that may be touched. I'm going to use the other side. Call buttons around the switches. I'm going to use the other side. Any handles. And we're going to clean this one as well. So this is the last touch point. Remember, this is the bathroom door, but because we're on the general living area, we're going to use the blue cloth here. And once we get inside the bathroom, we're going to use the red cloth. So around the handle and then along the handle and make sure it's clean.